Good morning. I'm going to teach you guys how to make the perfect poached egg. Get a pot with about 3 inches of water and put it on medium heat. And then you're going to add a splash of vinegar. The vinegar is going to help the proteins in the egg seize up as soon as it hits the water. Once your water is simmering, you're going to take a spoon and create a whirlpool. Make sure your water's not boiling because it will disrupt the egg. You're going to get as low as you can to the water and gently place your egg in the middle. Because of the whirlpool effect, the egg should fold up on itself. After about 3 to 4 minutes, you're going to take a slotted spoon and drain the egg on a paper towel. Gently poke the egg yolk with your finger and it should spring back. The goal is that your egg whites are cooked and your egg yolk is still runny. Put it on an English muffin and season it with salt and pepper, and this is what we're looking for. There you go, the perfect poached egg.